Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can calculate mean in the Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. So if you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start video. So for example, I am writing here name, and after writing some name, so I will write some amount and then I will calculate mean. So after that, select the cell where you want to calculate your mean. So after that, you will apply this formula is equal to average so after that, close the bracket and then select your range. So after that, close the bracket and then press enter, and you can see your mean will be calculated very easily. So guys, in this way you can calculate mean in the Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.